What's up, guys? I'm back with another one, and today we're going to be checking out the new Civivi Ortis. Now, this knife actually comes in a number of different variations, but this one right here is by far my favorite. I absolutely love their black Damascus. Not to mention the handle scales are actually made from carbon fiber and not a G10 laminate like they usually use. Definitely a nice upgrade, and I kind of like the way they did the milling on here. Kind of gives you a little bit of texture to what's normally a flat, smooth surface, and kind of locks in a little better, even though the knife has excellent ergos. I mean, this thing feels great at the handle or the choil. And that's definitely something I have to praise Civivi on. Now, the action is great. Detent is nice and dialed in, super snappy. You know, you can spidey flick it, no problem, which is one of my favorite things about it. But it does, I don't know, it drops shut, but with a couple of wiggles, which isn't really a problem. I mean, you can adjust that yourself and get it to drop shut, no problem. Now, it is a liner lock design and comes with a tip-up, deep carry, reversible pocket clip. Now, the overall length on this guy is 7.50 inches. The blade is 3.25. The cutting edge is 3 inches with a width of 1 inch. Now, the thickness is 0.12. Now, the handle length is 4.25. The width, 0.875. The thickness is 0.47. And we'll get a weight on this guy real quick. 2.920. So, yeah, definitely a great EDC weight. And to be honest, Civivi makes an excellent EDC knife. I mean, I've never had a bad experience with Civivi, and they just keep impressing me. You know, this is the Elementum, which is another great knife. You can see it is, oh, it's getting stuck on my stickers, that's what it's getting. It is right around a 1/2 inch larger than the Elementum, something like that, compared to the new Pintail, which is pretty much the same size as the Elementum. Let's see. Go ahead and throw in the new Trailblazer slip joint, which I absolutely love. Well, it's right around the same size as well. Go figure. Anyway, you can see definitely a great EDC size, and that blade shape is absolutely wicked. And I think a lot of people were kind of excited about this blade just because they, you know, a lot of people couldn't afford the Hinderer Bowie, which is $450, you know, something like that, $425. You know, you can get a great blade for under $100 and still have that same kind of shape. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, share, subscribe if you haven't already. Definitely check me out on Instagram. See you guys on the next one.